This is going to be a quick video that goes over the Rev-Exit button on the Predator. All this button does is when you're in a trade and it detects a valid trade in the opposite direction, it's going to exit you out of your current position. Now, from that point, you have two options. You can either exit out of your position and just wait for a new setup, or you can exit out of your position and reverse your position in the opposite direction. So let's see how that works. In this example, we're using a simple reversal strategy that's going to enter us into a trade when it breaks below a bearish reversal, or it's going to enter long when it breaks above a bullish reversal. If we look at our Rev-Exit button, we're going to see another little option to the right of it. We have these returning arrows, which means when this is on, if you're in a trade and it detects a trade in the opposite direction, it's going to exit out of your position and then it's going to re-enter in that opposite direction. If we toggle this button to the other side, you're going to see a little door. This little door just means that when it detects a trade in the opposite direction, it's just going to exit your position, but it's not going to re-enter in the opposite direction. So let's run this on playback just to see how it works. I'm going to switch it to the arrows just so it re-enters in the opposite direction.
Order
so here
filled.
We have a long trade. When it detects a bearish reversal, you will see it exits out of our position and it will re-enter in the opposite direction. So I might have to speed this up a little.
Order submitted.
So here we got our bearish reversal. It detected a trade in the opposite direction. It took out our position and then it reversed the position. So now we are in a short trade. Now I'm going to move to the little door.
Order
This just
filled.
means it's going to exit our position and it's not going to re-enter in the opposite direction. So here again, we got a bullish candle. It detected the trade in the opposite direction. It just took us out, no re-entry. So I will switch it back to the re-entry.
Order filled.
So here we re-entered.
Order submitted.
And it's just going to keep re-entering anytime it switches directions. And yes, this option is the same as your Rev-Exit option inside your control section in the properties. So that's all there is to the Rev-Exit option. I hope you found this video useful. As always, take care, enjoy.